Denny Long here with Andy Lindus from Lindus Construction. How do you feel so far?
I feel great. How about you, Denny?
Pretty good. So for those that don't know, Andy and I do a home improvement show every Saturday, normally, and I say normally because sometimes we get interrupted by sports.
We gotta love the Gophers. We'll move for the Gophers.
But we're on normally at 10 o'clock in the morning for an hour answering listener questions, and we find them pretty interesting, too, sometimes.
All the way from leaky windows to groaning toilets. That's our specialty.
I had forgotten about that last part there. Tell us, for those that don't know, about Lindus Construction. Again, it's Lindus, not Linda's. You don't have in fact, you don't even have anybody by the name of Linda there.
We have a Lindsay, but no Linda.
And how long you guys been in business, and what do you do?
We're celebrating our 30-year anniversary this year, Denny, and we're going to be doing some special things on the show, so I hope people tune in. We're going to have some great giveaways, and we're going to be doing some things with charities this year that we're pretty excited about. So it's 30 years in the running. We do everything from one piece of siding to whole renovations of houses to if you need a new house built, we can help you with that, too.
And I know what else you do quite well. You got those great leaf guard gutters like you put in my house, and you told me it was 10 years ago?
August of 1999.
I haven't cleaned a gutter for 10 years. How about that?
Neither have half the people in your neighborhood. If you've ever been on Denny Street, we call it Leaf Guard Row.
That's really true. They do have good taste. But anyway, so you guys do the gutters. You do all sorts of remodeling, kitchens. We talked last week, I think it was, about basements, finishing basements.
We're doing an awful lot of that this last couple of years. I think people are starting to stay in their homes a lot more than they had instead of upgrading their houses. So they're doing things to their existing house. One of the easiest things to do, Denny, is refinishing your basement or finishing your basement. Creates a whole new living space and something fun for the whole family, from a workout center to an entertainment center.
You say easy for me to do. It's easier for you to do. It's not easy for me to do. But again, for those joining us maybe for the first time, we invite your home improvement questions. Andy Lindus, sometimes Dad is here, sometimes Dad and Mom, and brothers. But again, 30 years in the business at Lindus.
30 years in the business. We don't know everything. We'll let you know that right off the bat, but we'll do our darndest to answer any question that you have. And
we'll be talking certainly about those great metal roof, the steel roofing that I hope to get someday.
Yes, and soon, Denny. We'll get that metal roof on soon.
All right, we hope you join us every Saturday at 10 o'clock in the morning, Saturday mornings, here on News Radio 830 WCCO. Home Improvement Talk with Andy Lindus from Lindus Construction.